Hello everyone, I tested AirPods as a microphone. It can be any gen and you can use these AirPods as a Bluetooth microphone with iPhone. But in this video, we're gonna talk about DJI but without a cable. Let's say this is a cable that comes with the type C to type C, and I'm using an old iPhone. I have attached like this is lightning and this one is a USB and then it's type C. Here is type C. So I'm not gonna use any of these cables to test this DJI. This DJI comes with the cable, but unfortunately I'm using an old phone. I'm not using the new iPhone. So I'll be using this DJI without a cable. So I'll teach you what kind of apps you need and also test the sound quality. First of all, you need to see these power on and off. Then there is Bluetooth button. So I'm gonna first of all power on this. Open your Bluetooth and press and hold this button and you will see Bluetooth option there. Just connect this device. All you need to do is to go to App Store and here you need to type 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒄𝒕. You will find this app. Just install this app and then bring your DJI mic or your AirPod or any Bluetooth microphone and then switch it on like so. You see this light blinking? Now you need to go to your phone, go to setting and press and hold this Bluetooth icon here. Once you press and hold like this, you will see this light blinking there. Here is the device name. It's now connected. Now, go to the app you just installed and here you can set the resolution and everything. But in the app, you will see this audio. Click on that. You can also rotate this app and click on audio. Now, you will see microphone and then levels. Go to microphone and you will see Bluetooth. Just select on Bluetooth. You will see Bluetooth only in case this is connected to your app. Now you can get out of this place and start recording. Whatever video you record will be recorded with this DJI sound using Bluetooth as a microphone. This can be used. So that's very simple. Alright guys, so the sound right now you're hearing is coming from DJI. There is a magnet. I just placed the magnet. Is very strong, so DJI is here. I'm gonna go at a distance. This one is nothing. The AirPod is here, but I'm connected via Bluetooth and not any cable. I can show you my cables. Cable is still here. Right now you can see there is no cable, so I'm here connected via Bluetooth and I'm using DJI microphone sound. I'm going far away. This test is continued. I'm going far. It already maybe like 30 meters or 35 meters, but I'm still going far. And yeah, it's not a noisy place, to be honest. Today it's not too much windy as well, but I tested this one. I will include that video in this video as well, so that you can see the noisy place as well. This has noise cancellation option. I'm far away from my mobile phone right now, and the sound you're hearing is coming from DJI microphone. That's like around, including Osmo 7 and this DJI, is around $150 or $149. And yeah, this is the sound right now you're hearing that is directly coming from, yes, DJI. And I'm back. You can get this result without a cable. You don't need to spend extra $20 if you are using an older phone. I'm testing this microphone with DJI Osmo 7 Pro, and this is the microphone that doesn't come with the DJI Osmo 7 Pro itself, but if you want to get one, you can get one. This place is a noisy place. I'm far away from the DJI right now, and I'm recording this sound in a public place. It's a park. There are so many aunties dancing, and also it's a noisy place. Construction work is going on. There is some music in the background, wind. Normally I live in a cold place and it's kind of windy, so that's why I have a windshield. If I go closer to this microphone right now, you can see it has a windshield. It comes with two windshields and microphone itself. I'm not using the DJI app to record this one. I'm using another app because the transmitter doesn't work with the older phone. It comes with AI tracking, and sometimes it tracks other people if you are going far away, but it comes with the transmitter and a cable that is actually type C. Mine is iPhone 12 and it has no type C. it is having a lightning cable. I didn't buy the lightning cable, that's why I'm using another Bluetooth app that can support camera integration with this microphone. So I'm not using the DJI app right now, but I'm using the tracker that itself comes with the DJI Osmo 7 Pro. So this is outdoor sound. Yep, see ya.